What about using a company like Social Wi-Fi that have customers who use your free Wi-Fi to gather customer data, collect reviews, and send marketing messages? I don't know if you're familiar with programs like that.
Yeah, so, I would say it depends on how you want to work your business. Um, so the hard part, I would just say in general, for a lot of businesses is that they have to integrate a lot of that into a POS system, and then they have to manage a lot of that on their own. So I think anything you can do to get positive reviews is smart. This is what I'll tell you. You just have to look at the cost, and then you have to also look at the time you need to spend to do it and how effective it is. It is crucial to be able to respond to reviews, not only get positive reviews, but respond to them and then amplify them. So if you're working to get positive reviews, that's super smart. I would recommend doing that. There's still other aspects that I would continue to focus on, including responding as well as amplifying any positive review you have. And because you got this great review, like let's tell the world, in case somebody doesn't go to Google, like they might go to Facebook and want to see the review. So share it in many places as you possibly can.